Today we are going to make a calendula oil macerate. It's great for the skin as it protects and strengthens it, and you can also use it for your hair for strengthening and also for preventing hair loss. A maceration is super simple. It's basically where you infuse flowers in oil for 4 to 6 weeks, and then you can use it on your skin, on your hair, and it's amazing. I think that everyone should make their own calendula oil. What you want to do is collect a few calendula flowers. And then you want to dry them because too much moisture can cause the oil to go rancid, and you don't want that. Once dried, place them in a mason jar. Then you want to fill the jar with olive oil. Making sure the oil covers the petals. So we'll leave that sit for 4 to 6 weeks. What you can do is put a paper bag over the jar and place it in the sun to heat up gently the oil. Now you don't want to put your jar in direct sunlight, otherwise the sun rays will destroy all the beneficial chemical compounds. So I'll get back to you in a few weeks when it's ready. It's been a little bit more than a month since I prepared my calendula oil. So as you can see, it's still in the paper bag. Ta-da! Wow! It looks really good. The flowers look perfect. It's not gone rancid at all. And the color's golden. It's beautiful. So what I'm going to do now is strain the flowers in a cheesecloth. And that's it. It's all ready to be used. So you can use it on the skin, you can use it on the hair. So skin, it's good for the face, anti-aging, antioxidants, all those good things, anti-wrinkles, keeps the skin really nice. Even all over the body, not just the face. It's a good sunscreen, it's good for burns, good for healing wounds, it's antibacterial, antifungal, incredible, amazing oil this. And also, for the hair, it's good for thinning, or if you want to grow your hair, it really helps for growth. So it's really an amazing oil. So I'm really excited to use it.